3-bedroom home, walking distance to everything that Cardinia Lakes has to offer. Welcome to Sunnybank Way. I can't wait to show you this one. Connection is the most important thing in a family home, and this kitchen is right in the centre of it. Open plan living that leads you out to this brilliant entertaining space. This is the perfect first home or downsizer property. I'm Tane Bartholomew, thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next home for inspection.